Good afternoon, everyone. It's 1:34 p.m., 30th, 2025. Figured I would come back into the market after we broke this resistance um, candles above here, just above the resistance, and kind of looking along. The market is still down substantially, but we have a bunch of support, and resistance here. So I'd like to see if we could bunch of buying imbalances here, a couple of selling imbalances there. Hit a little bit of resistance. Got some buyers coming in. Too much selling. See a retrace somewhere below the 547.25 area. There's some about the 49.25 area. It's stronger. We have a positive delta. This is the delta number. Even though we're positive, this number does fluctuate. So even though we're positive, if we're getting less delta coming in, this number is going to change or more. Works both ways. It's dynamic. That's what I mean to say. Looks like we're gonna get a little pop here. Just one tick. Pop and go. Pop and go. Pretty strong. Buyer imbalances here. Brace back to this level. Yeah, the POC is dropping a little bit. The sellers are still in here. Not seeing substantial buying. Their node here. Most of the delta was right in this candle here. Absorbing up in this area. Staying pretty steady on the just missed my trade. A lot of fluctuation of trading up in this area. So I want to see more of the delta expanding. We have 12,000, but just look at the delta compared to the rest of the numbers here. 14,000 with less delta. That's telling me we're going to be dropping a little bit. Unless this number comes up substantially. Now we're in the negative delta. When this candle turns green, I'll look at it again. Up until now, I'm not going to look at it. Right, we're above the VWAP, so I'm looking for longs. Lots of volume. Low delta compared to the prior delta. Got some delta below. So I just recently added a delta to the left, this histogram. So far, I'm liking it. I'm still on the fence about it. Uh, 51.25. So if you can get back up there again to see if it holds. At 6 minutes into this video, if nothing happens after next 4 minutes, 10 minutes, I'll pause the video and wait for something else to happen. A nice rush of buyers come in, but met with resistance. Selling imbalances. We just pulled right through those selling imbalances. We had some negative delta at this point. Once we get past the POC here, got my stop set for 10 ticks and one profit at 10 and the other at 20. I think once we get past these selling imbalances, we may have a good shot to go, above. See, or possibly hit the high. We get a good push. A lot of volatility in these tails. It's a lot of volatility. My first 10 ticks will be pretty much at the high of this previous candle. And we can manipulate it if I feel that the situation, real-time situation has changed. You'll see it's real low down here. Selling sellers back down here. So let's see if we build a little bit of a volume, which we are. Got some sellers and buyers. Got a bunch of sellers in here. Little buying imbalance. Bunch of positive delta right here. Pretty much within this 10 tick range. Now we have a divergence of delta. We have a negative delta, physical negative delta with the green candle. Tell me that we are going to get some. We have some selling pressure here, so we'll see if the bulls continue to move. Which usually when this happens, like right now, the delta is decreasing, so we probably will be getting some positive delta in here. See the decrease? There we are. We're in the trade. If we grab some positive delta, we've just been accumulating inside here. Little negative delta. Okay, took a full loss there. Clear the screen a little bit, revamp, we go back in. Double bottom. Pretty much a double top. Make a new high from this candle. Lower volume, moving down. I am going to be a bullish. I'm looking bullish here. Got a few selling imbalances here. Let's go below. Trace that candle one more time. Negative delta. Some bumps in the road here. Volume accumulating up in here. And buyers are just relaxing. Had these huge delta candles here. So we got buyers up in this level. And sellers came in, of course, brought it back a little bit down. Delta, but we're not really making the lows. This delta is still too high for me to make an. Now we got buyers coming back in up in here. We got sellers coming back in. See where we're at when we hit about 7,000 trades. Kind of pretty high off the moving average as well. I mean, the VWAP as well. Moving average there. POC did move up. Very volatile. Just take your time. Don't get fear. Don't get to be the fear of missing out. Don't let your mental state. This is good. POCs here together. Still got a bunch of negative delta. We got 9,000 trades. Delta is pretty stable. Not much of anything going on here. We're just in the same range. You got 4 seconds left of this candle. I'm going to short right here. Step in the profile right here. Put your buyers in here. Can't move past there. That many amount of buyers, you'd have, it's got some buying imbalances here with some sellers, not enough sellers. Two-way, can't get to move up. Not a lot of sellers in here. Got a bunch of delta. If we don't have any two-way trading, these are overrunning the sellers, but there was no. This is just retail coming in. This is not commercial. So I'm expecting a drop. Like the price action. Got out of that. Not much movement. I'd rather just stay out of it till something else. We have like 3 double tops here, pretty much. I'm still thinking we're going to drop down, but we have some decent delta coming in. Delta is dropping. See if we can go above this here. Not much action inside here. Right in this area here, not much action. Buying imbalances here, but no sellers. You get some trapped buyers up here. They'll become sellers at some point. You pop, and I'll short here. Not much delta there. We just doubled, tripled the delta right here in the negative delta. Value area of high right here. This is showing support, but we're not able to get past there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep my keep it where we are right now. Got a little, got some negative delta here. They're coming in, but very small numbers. And we get our first target. I stay right below the park here. Looks like we got a little bit of negative. All right, we're good. I'm good here. Nice move. So we've overcome our, and we're good. We're in the positive. Kept that going a little long. We got 20 minutes on this video, and I just wanted to show you pretty much just stay focused. That's what you want to do after you take a loss. Stay focused, regroup, look at the price action, and you may, if things change, you change your order. Think positive, look at the price action. If there's something that you want me to explain in a regular video, I'll do a regular video with actually out, doing the trading. If there's something that you want to explain, just put it in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer it for you. Anyway, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you in our next one.